Dr. Dave Heber talking today some more about exercise and nutrition. And what I want to explain to you today is why it's so important to get protein at every meal and after exercise, because your muscles are in a constant state of protein buildup and breakdown. In fact, I call them muscle protein factories. Let's take a look. Basically, what happens in the muscle is that when you eat a protein, amino acids go up in your blood, they travel into the muscle cell where they promote muscle synthesis. Between meals, amino acid levels drop, you break down your muscle and release amino acids into the bloodstream. And how that works is actually by working on mRNA and actually increasing the mRNA on what are called ribosomes or energy factories to make protein. And this is the same mRNA they're using in some vaccines today. So ribosomes are important. Protein is important. This is Dr. Dave Heber. We'll see you next time.